good afternoon, good morning, good evening, wherever you are listening from or watching from. Today, you are welcome to our lesson, and the subject still remains mathematics, and the topic is simple equation. But before I continue, I would like to appreciate uh, Nomis company for giving me the opportunity to present this video. And I promise that I will not take the opportunity for granted, and I will try to deliver my best. Thank you very much once again. Now, the topic today is simple equation. Simple equation. What is an equation? What is an equation? Now, from the word equation, you will see that from the word equation, you have what you call eque. That means equal. So an equation is just a statement that shows that two quantities are equal. It's just a statement that shows that two quantities are equal. For example, if I have 2 plus 3 equals to 5, this is an equation. You know why? Because the left hand side, which is this, is equal to the right hand side. But that's not what we're going to be talking about today. What we are going to be talking about is algebraic equation. Algebraic equation. So from the word algebraic, algebraic, algebraic. From the word algebraic, what comes to your mind? Algebra. Now, what's algebra? It's just a mathematics that deals with what? The combination of what? Numbers and what? And letters or what? Symbols. I'm not going to go deep into that, but once we start talking about algebraic equation, we're talking about an equation that has what? Sorry, an algebraic equation is what? It's an algebraic expression that has an equality sign. Now, what is an algebraic expression? Look at it. If I have 2x plus y, this is an algebraic expression. What if I now have 2x plus 3? It is also an algebraic expression. When I now bring in my equality sign, it becomes an algebraic equation. So that's just what an algebraic equation is. Because of time, I might not write the definition, but you can take down. An algebraic equation is an algebraic expression that has an equality what? Equality sign. Now, we are asked to solve the equation. What does it mean to solve an equation? To solve an equation means to look for the value of the unknown here, which is x, such that the left hand side and the right hand side becomes equal. That means, what will I make x to add to 5 that will give me 7? That is just what an equation is. To solve an equation means. And how do you do it? There are two ways. You can use balancing method, where you draw your weight scale and whatever. But here I'm going to use method of collecting the like terms. Method of collecting the like terms. Now, I'll look for a way to make the x to be alone, while the unknown will also be, sorry, the x, that's the unknown, to be alone. Then the numbers should be at the other side of the equation. So solution now. What is disturbing this x here? Write the question again. What is disturbing this x from being alone? 5. And 5 is disturbing it with what? With an addition sign. How will I make 5 to disappear here? How? I will make 5 to disappear here by what? By subtracting 5 from here. So you just say subtract 5 from both sides. Anything I do to the left hand side, I do to the right hand side. In mathematics, whenever anything I do on the right hand side, I do on the left hand side, it will not change the equation. So since I am subtracting 5 from both sides, I will come to the left hand side. I have x plus 5. Then I will remove my 5. Maintain your equality sign. Then the right hand side has only 7. Then you subtract your 5. At the end, what are you going to have? You can see 5 minus 5, 0. Leaving only what? X. Equals to 7 minus 5. 7 minus 5 is what? 7 minus 5, 7 minus 5, 2. So at the end, you can see that I have x is now alone on the left hand side. And also, I have my answer also on the right hand side. There is nothing to simplify here again. So therefore, let me just complete it here. Let me just complete it here. X is equals to 2. Now I can check whether I am actually correct. How will I do that? Just to write the question again, which is x plus 5 equals to 7. Anywhere I see x, I put what? 2. I substitute the value of x with what? 2. So since x is equals to 2, you have 2 plus 5 equals to 7. Is 2 plus 5? What's 2 plus 5? 7 is equals to 7. So you can see the left hand side is equals to the right hand side. Hence, the equation is well solved. Then the second one. The second one, I'll be faster. B. You have 3y plus 8 equals to 44. What will I do here also? I will just I will also subtract 8 from both sides to make this y to be alone, 3y to be alone first. So if you subtract it, you are going to have it like this. Sorry. Then 8 minus 8 will give you 0. So you have 3y is equal 44 minus 8. 44 minus 8. 44 minus 8 will give you what? 36. Then, since another thing is something that y is 3, how will I make that 3 to leave this y? I will divide both sides by 3. Divide both sides by 3. So if you divide this by 3, at the end y will be alone, and if you divide this by 3, you're going to have 12 here. That means y is equals to 12. That's the answer. You can also check and see that you actually got the correct answer. I'm going to stop here because of time, but I'm sure and I'm very sure that we are still going to meet again. Thank you very much. I remain Osita Chukwuemeka David. Bye.